Ever pondered how Telegram, a free messaging app with no ads, still manages to make money? This platform, unlike others, offers an ad-free experience, making its revenue model something of a conundrum. Intriguing, isn't it? So, how does Telegram sustain itself? Let's unravel the mystery. Telegram's journey and its revenue model have been quite a rollercoaster ride. From its inception in 2013, it was clear this wasn't your average messaging app. Through the years, it's introduced premium features that offer enhanced functionalities, a key turning point in its revenue journey. Another significant milestone was the ambitious launch of the Telegram Open Network, or TON, a blockchain-based platform aimed at creating a new era of secure and fast transactions. Despite the legal hurdles that led to its discontinuation, it showed Telegram's innovative spirit. These steps have been instrumental in shaping Telegram's unique revenue model, combining traditional messaging with a dash of entrepreneurial audacity. So, the big question remains, how does all this translate into revenue? Telegram's revenue model is a fascinating blend of user-friendly features and strategic monetization. And what truly sets it apart is the perfect balance it strikes between offering free services and introducing non-intrusive premium features. This means that while the basic messaging and calling features remain free for everyone, users who crave a little extra can pay for additional features. Another noteworthy aspect is the monetization of stickers. Unlike other platforms, Telegram allows artists to create and sell their own sticker packs, providing a unique revenue stream. But perhaps the most intriguing part of Telegram's revenue model is the potential of the Telegram Open Network, or TON. This blockchain-based platform opens up a myriad of opportunities for revenue generation, from facilitating transactions to hosting apps. Throughout all of this, Telegram maintains an unwavering commitment to user privacy and experience, ensuring that monetization never comes at the expense of its users. Indeed, Telegram's revenue model is a testament to its innovative and user-centric approach.